It's your girl, Jen J. Welcome, sis, to my bathroom. We are excited today because we are doing our hair. This is the first time that I'm doing my hair in like a month. I saw Paula, which I'll put a video here, about a month ago, and then I saw Z right after. Hopefully the video's up by the time you see this one. I will also link it somewhere over here. And then I waited 2 weeks, and now I am going to be washing my hair for the first time. And I'm super excited because, girl, I had a haircut. I got my hair colored. So things are different. Things are different, and we'll see how I do. Like I said, it's been 2 weeks since I had my hair done, and it is crazy to me how soft my hair still is and how moisturized she is. It's crazy to me. I have never experienced anything like this in my life. The way that Z did my hair, first of all, it was just so defined. Never seen my hair like this. And it just remained so soft. Like I said, it's been 14 days to the dot, and my hair is still so soft. I can't get over it. My hair is colored. Hopefully you saw the video by now. I'm just so excited to play in her, y'all, because I feel like this haircut is going to make things so much easier for me. And also with, first of all, the products that I'm going to be using, and I'm just really excited to play in my hair, okay? This is a new journey for me. I am so happy that you're here and that you are following along. I know a lot of us are extremely scared when it comes to coloring our hair, and I say that color can be damaging, but if you go see a professional, if you do your research, I think it should be okay. And you know, I saw a professional, I did my research, and I have high hopes, okay? Product lineup, this is what we're working with. We are actually going to be using this product by Naughty. Really like the name, very clever. This was a gifted product. They are clean ingredients, meaning no parabens, sulfates, silicones, vegan formula. I think it's like 98%, 97% natural. This is a UK brand, and I'm kind of excited to use it because so many of you guys reach out to me, you know, from the UK or, you know, the other side of the world. And you're like, well, Jen, what do I use? Well, you know, there's some good brands out there. Haven't used it yet, but we are going to be using it today. The stylist actually recommended that I use a moisturizing shampoo. The one that she suggested, I don't have on hand, but I have this and we're gonna use it. Moving on to proteins, I know a lot of you ask me if my regimen's actually going to change. It is a little bit. She suggests that I use, you know, incorporate more proteins into my regimen now, especially now that my hair is colored. So I got this. She recommends it as well. She said to use this once every 8 weeks or so. Now, styling. Now, this is basically what she used when she did my wash and go last. So I went and picked up the Camille Rose leave-in treatment, leave-in conditioner. Smells so good. When she used it, my hair just smelled so good for days. We also have the one and only Uncle Funky, as well as the Dew. Now, I know last time I said I wasn't a huge fan of the Dew, but when she used it, girl, it was just like so different. So I am going to try her method, and I'll show you exactly what I do. Of course, we have some accessories, brush with the best, a shower cap, as well as some tools to keep me organized. Let's get in the shower, right? Let's not waste no time. Boop.
All right, so let's hop in the shower. For some reason, I was so excited to wash my hair, girl. It's one thing to let other people do your hair, but it's something else when you get to just play in your hair, wash it, have fun, spend time with it. I don't know about you, but I love doing my hair. So we're going with the first shampoo, making sure that my scalp is really clean because it's been 2 weeks since I washed my hair and my scalp is feeling all kind of funny. So girl, make sure that everything is squeaky clean. Once I'm done with my second wash, moving on to the protein treatment. So basically, this is a 2-step protein treatment to help stop hair breakage and also restore your hair after any chemical process. As you guys know, my hair is colored now, so I have to incorporate more protein into my regimen, and this is perfect. It's a 2-part system. The first one is protein, and then the second one is a moisturizing to balance everything. And I really love the moisturizer because it has a lot of humectants and vitamins that just softens your hair right away. Like I said, it's great for color treated hair. It's great if you have a lot of breakage, and it also helps to add some body to your hair. The first part, it says to add it to clean towel dried hair. I didn't towel dry my hair, but I did wring out most of the water, and of course put it in my hair, cover my hair with a plastic cap. I left it on for 10 minutes while I, you know, did my shower thing, and then rinsed it out, proceeded with the moisturizer. So for the moisturizer, it says to leave it on for a minute, but I did more than a minute because I ended up just, you know, detangling my hair while it was in. It has a ton of slip. It feels really, really good on the hair, you guys. I actually like it. I almost feel like I want to use the moisturizer to, you know, condition my hair on a weekly basis. So this treatment actually left my hair feeling really nice, really soft, and I quite enjoyed it. So now that my hair is colored, it's funny, I feel like my hair is a lot softer now. With the color, I do feel like my hair has changed a little bit. Like the color kind of broke down some of the bonds in my hair. It's hard for me to tell because I typically wouldn't wash my hair out like this. I like to wash my hair in sections. Anyways, after that, I proceeded with the Camille Rose leave-in while I was in the shower, while everything was steamy. Because of the steam in the shower, it actually allows the leave-in conditioner to penetrate your hair faster. And then I added a little bit of Uncle Funky all throughout because, you know, my hair is already wet. It's absorbing all the products. I took advantage and covered my hair with the Uncle Funky. Alright, so my camera died when I was in the shower and I just put on the shower cap. I didn't do anything additional than what you saw, so you didn't miss much. And I was like, you know what, it's a time from the heavens anyway, because I was rushing through my hair, and that is not how you do a proper wash and go, okay? There is no such thing as rushing through your wash and go. You gotta sit and work it out, okay? You gotta like do it properly, and that's what we're gonna do. So I do have Uncle Funky in my hair, as well as the Camille Rose leave-in conditioner. My hair feels really good, actually. She is still quite wet, as you can see. So I'm gonna separate it and do my wash and go, just work in sections. I have a water bottle on deck because I am gonna go through each sections of my hair, saturate it with water. Potentially use a little bit more Uncle Funky because I want my hair to be completely saturated with the product, and add a little bit of the dew on top. So I'm gonna do the back, and then when I get to the front, I'll show you what I do. When Z did my hair in Toronto, she really took her time with this, which is what I want to do. I want to take my time, add a little bit of Uncle Funky where it's needed, work it through. And then use a little bit of the dew on top. Okay, so when she did it, this girl has so much patience. She used really small sections. I don't know if I have that much patience in me because I have a very low, almost empty cup when it comes to patience. So I already know I'm not gonna be as detailed as she was, but it'll be interesting to see, you know, what it looks like, smaller sections versus bigger sections. At least that's my excuse as to why I will not take my time. All right, I'll be back when I get to the front, okay? Update time. We did the back. I think the more I do it, the more obviously you get better, you get the hang of things. I'll show you exactly what I do, girls. So, section your hair, obviously. I'm going to saturate this section with more water, because water is key when it comes to these wash and goes, okay? Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of Uncle Funky, not too much, like this much. It's like half a pump, emulsify it in my hands, and work it through. Now, after I add the Uncle Funky, sometimes it feels, you know, like you could use more water. Like if my fingers are not going right through, I'm gonna add more water. And once you do that, once your hair soaks, see that? You can tell. Now it's very easy to run your fingers through. So I'm gonna do that for a little bit.
And I'm making sure that I'm going all the way up to my roots. And then now I'm gonna do 1 pump of the dew. I don't know if you need to emulsify it or not, but you know, I kind of do. And once the dew gets in the mix, oh child, it is so slippery. She feels really good, but it's a messy process. As you can see, things are falling everywhere. Now I'm gonna work all of the products through. And I saw Z do this where she would smooth my roots. And this is where I don't have the patience that she does, bless her soul. But once your hair gets like separated-ish, and if you want even more definition, you can use your comb to go through and really separate your hair. Now you're gonna look, something like that. Wherever your hair just naturally separates, you want to use small sections and do a little finger coil like that. Small section and finger coil it. Just go around twirl it around your fingers twice, so you're not spending a lot of time on each section. I'm not using as small sections as she did, just because, girl, this is gonna be in my head for like 5 days, okay? So I'm not going to spend that much time on it. It doesn't take too long. I've been doing this for like 20 minutes and I've already did the back of my hair. So anyway, so there we go, and you get all this movement. It looks familiar. It kind of looks like how it did when Z did it. And I keep mentioning Z, Z is Dermala. She's the stylist that did my color and all of that, okay? Now we're gonna move on to another section. I'm actually gonna split that into 2. And when she did my hair, she also used really small sections. But who has the time?
For more definition or more separation of your curls, use smaller section when you twirl the hair around your fingers. In the front, I use smaller sections, but in the back, I use bigger sections just so it went a little faster. A second tip that I have is to make sure that your hair is saturated and that you smooth the product through your hair. That's exactly what the stylist did when she did my hair. And making sure that your hair is saturated and smooth with the products will ultimately yield better results. Your hair will have better hold and better definition at the end.
All right, there we are. This is what we're looking like. Looks really defined. I think I always have this weird part in the middle of my head. Oh, my neck. I'm not gonna lie, my shoulders, my arm hurt a little bit. So I'm just gonna give myself a little shake to cover any parts I may have in the back. I think when I did it, she got me to turn my head up. Did I? I think she got me to turn my head upside down. Anyways, this is what we have right now, okay? Hair is done, and now I'm going to sit under the dryer. We'll see what happens when she's done. I can't believe how much my roots are growing out already. Like, the only time I don't want my hair to grow, look at that. Anyways, I'll be back. There we go. Hair is actually pretty dry. I sat under the dryer for about an hour. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. And also my roots are not 100% dry yet, but it'll dry as the days go by at this point. I have a little bit of movement. It is, I think I have to break the cast a little bit over here. As you can see, it's a little stiff, but when you play with it, it's all good. Wow, okay. Tell me this isn't the most defined wash and go that I've done on myself. This technique is almost foolproof. You see the definition that I have all over my hair actually. And she's light. There is a little bit of cast at the roots, but that's okay. I feel like it's actually going to help my hair get better over the course of the next couple of days. That's what I'm trying to say. Plus the cut, the haircut. It looks good, right? I think it looks really good. Wow, I did a good job. Ooh, go ahead, Jen. Jen, are you mastering this life and ghost style? Oh my God, it's so weird because my hairball is always black, but look at it. It's not black. All right, so there she is, just so you see. This is 2 weeks, by the way, of me not washing my hair. So this isn't bad at all. And we're done. I'll let Ginger take it away. Get it? Ginger? Okay.
So Ginger actually flaked on us. She did not film an outro for this video, but I'm actually going to share with you some of my stories from Instagram to give you an update on the hair. Let me give you a little update about my hair, okay? So it's been 5 days, I think, since I did my hair. I did my hair last Sunday. Hair is still feeling good. Slightly on the drier side. I still have some definition. I have to go to a wedding tomorrow, so I don't know if I want to wash my hair before or after. Before will mean today. And I don't want to, no. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will link the original stylist video when I went and saw Z. She's the one who originally did my hair this way, and I loved it. I think it's one of the best ways to set your 4C hair. I also will link another video when I saw another stylist and she did another method. So if you want to check out the 2 videos and see what works for you. When it comes to wash and goes, though, I think it's a mindset thing. You have to accept your hair and accept what your hair looks like in a wash and go state. Don't forget to hit the like button, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.